Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about why you need to know about crypto investing. Let's start the video. Early investors in Bitcoin, Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies have made a killing. But the cryptocurrency market has a long history of extreme volatility, which is not what investors are looking for an uncertain market condition. In fact, Bitcoin has had several deep pullbacks of more than 80% throughout its history, including a roughly 80% crash in 2018. Like most other cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin is not tied to physical or intellectual property, and it does not generate cash flow or pay a dividend or interest to investors. Instead, Bitcoin's price tied exclusively to supply and demand, making it difficult to assess its fundamental value, experts say. Berkshire Hathaway CEO and investing legend Warren Buffett recently discussed Bitcoin shortcoming at Berkshire annual investor meeting, telling investors he would not pay $25 for all of the Bitcoin in the world. Whether it goes up or down in the next year or 5 years or 10 years. I don't know, but one thing I am sure of it that it does not multiply. It does not produce anything, he said. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies may eventually see their volatility and correlation to other risk assets die down. Still, the recent price action in the cryptocurrency market suggests the bumpy ride could continue for crypto investors in the near term. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for new cryptocurrency videos.